So guys, now we are going to performing DNS monitoring using a DNS query sniffer. So what's this DNS query sniffer? DNS query sniffer is a free tool developed by Nearsoft to monitor the log of DNS queries made on Windows system. It provides a detailed information about each query, making it useful for a network troubleshooting and security analysis and undergrounding an application's behavior. Now, we need to understand what are the main features we can get it here. So the main features we can get it here, it can monitor the DNS queries in real time, displays the detailed information including a host names, query type, A records, AA records, MX record, SX records, everything. Response IP address, query time and durations, work with various network captures, drivers like WinSCP, Windows network monitor drivers, and you can export the logs including even with HTML, XML, CSV and plain text also. Now, first of all, we would like to walk to this machine. Now, we would like to open this. Now, we just type here as DNS query sniffer. Let me just launch this. You just launch in the gigabyte with the internet. So I just need to utilize this. Now this will start here. So once it was started, now the DNS sniffer start monitoring the network traffic, and it will take some time to capture and leave the windows intact. It shows in the DNS query as sent to your system along with the complete information such as host name, port number, XYZ informations. Now we would like to look in this. Now we would like to come back here. So I just close this. Now you just click on search. You just type is network and internet settings. We would like to look this a control panel, network and internet settings, network sharing center. So this is my network 2. It's my Ethernet 0. So I would like to look the properties. Here I have kept 10 properties. In this we would like to look this file or printer. So I think I come in the wrong place. Gigabit network. So internet protocol version TCP I4. Now I just look here properties. Now I would like to set from let it considered my another targeted machine. This is a victim machine. I just relaunch this. So let it restore this one. Continue. Your PC is run out of problem for restarting in just some error info. We will restart your PC. So these blue screens will be appear once the system is corrupted here. This is not in my main system. This is in VMware. Okay. So no need to worry. It will restart perfectly. Once it is restarted, now we would like to look here. Now you just click on here. Now just enter. Just type 1@2024. Now let me just close this and close this also. Now just come back here as CMD. So let's just get it here. Now let me just identify. So I already know this target IP address. So This is as default gateway is one. Okay, this is my targeted IP address. So just copy, come back to your Windows 2022. So now you can look here. I have got to get a somewhat useful information here. Now let's just paste it here, and let's just come back here in the subnet mask. Let's just paste it, just copy, and now let's just put this and default a gateway. So what is this for a default gateway is 192.168.18.1. Let's just paste it. A preferred DNS, you just put here as 192.168.18.1. That's it. You don't need to modify. You just click on OK. And now if we can wait also more 5 minutes from here. Now we would like to look here. This you can look here where you can get it here every information. Now we would like to come back to your Windows machine. Now you just ping here your targeted IP address 192.168.18.75. It may be, yes, destination is unreachable because I have changed this one to 127. So I want to get the communications between one laptop from one system to another system, but I have received and lost everything. That's well and good. Now let me just look here a domain. Let it open. Just open your tab. Just type here. Let's walk to this. So we just came here. Now we would like to go back. Now you can observe here every informations which is came by your destinations. Look here, which is sniffing all the informations. Look here, every useful information, a records, everything. But we are doing it on live with as some other things. Here it not displayed, which I was went to a targeted IP address. So there is a wildcard for a targeted website. So view HTML reports in all items. So just open through a Firefox. Let's go here. You can look here. All information, port number, every information you can look here. That's it. So this is how you can perform DNS monitoring using a DNS query sniffer. That's it.